Hello, this is Geo Global Concept, and Geo Cellfix or Geo Global Concept deals in training of individuals into deep mobile repairs. We are located in Abuja. Today, I just briefly want to show you what I'm going to use to teach my students, so you can have a brief look on my workshop and what I'm going to use in teaching those who are coming to learn. For example, I have a TV set here. This TV set, I use it to demonstrate practicals to my students so they can see the ICs and the diodes of phones. So I use this TV set as a practical demonstration on phones and on ICs. Also, I have a board here. This board, I use it also to teach my students, and this has helped very well in transferring knowledge to my students. Also, I also have other tools which will also enable them also to learn effectively. For example, I have this laptop here. This laptop, I use it to flash phones. As you can see, we have various things which you can use it to do. We have various things. You can use it to unlock phones. You can use it to do so many things. You understand? So this is one of the tools that I use in teaching my students. Another tools again which I have here, I have this Workstation. I have this screen separator. This screen separator, I use it to separate screen. I use it to separate calibrator from screen. So this is a very highly cost machine, and we use it to separate screen. So I'm going to teach the student on how to use this particular machine effectively. And also, I also have the Workstation here. This is called the Workstation. I'm going to teach them on how to use it effectively, how to use this effectively, and how to use this hot air machine effectively. So that's what I'm going to teach my student. Also, these are a set of screwdrivers. I'm going to teach them on how to use a set of screwdrivers effectively without causing harm on a phone or without causing damages on phone. Also, I have this multimeter here. This multimeter, I'm going to teach them how to use the multimeter effectively, how to detect faults through the multimeter, and how to diagnose some problem through the use of the multimeter. Also, I have this magnifying glass. I have this magnifying glass. This magnifying glass, I use it to magnify phones. So I'm going to teach them on how to use this magnifying glass and how they will use this PCB holder here, how to use this PCB holder. And also, I'll also teach them how to use this soldering iron very effectively. They will learn how to use this soldering iron effectively. So, and you can take a good look. There are so many tools here. We have the jumper wire, we have the gum, we have so many things here to teach the student. So I want you to bring your child. I want you to come if you have the passion in learning the skill of phone repairs and maintenance. So you can take a good look at our address. This is our address. We are located in Abuja, Gwagwalada. So our prices are fair and affordable. If you want to contact me, these are my contacts on the screen. Sorry, before you go, I want you to subscribe down below. There is a subscribe button, a red subscribe button below. Please press subscribe and press the bell notification. Press subscribe and press the bell notification so you can see all our videos, because we release videos from time to time educating you on how to use your phone effectively. So thank you. Even as I release my next episode, please watch the next video that's going to come so you can benefit more from those videos. So these are just the little things which we have and how we're going to teach our students. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Thank you.